welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make your own DIY cream highlighter. Yes, cream highlighter. This video is going to be so amazing. So just keep on watching how to make this. So let's get started. So the things that you need are a bowl to make your highlighter in, a spoon to mix with, your favorite shimmer powders, which will get in the small cute pots like this ones, any of your lotions or creams, but make sure they are not so sticky to your hands like that, which is like normal consistency ones. So I'm using here the L'Oreal Paris White Perfect Day Cream. So that's it. You just need only 2 ingredients. Without wasting any time, let's get started. And before heading to the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. So first, here we are going to take a ball, Then you're going to take your shimmer. You can take any color ones, guys. I like to use here silver shimmer powder, so let's put in this. So guys, here I poured the silver shimmer highlighter. You can also use your eyeshadows or anything, but I'm using this one here. Let me just show you with help of this filer because it will make me quite easy to mix. So this is the shimmer powder. Then I'm going to put some of the cream. A bit more. So guys, it's time to mix this. I'm just going to mix. You have to keep this mixing until the shimmer gets combined with the cream. And guys, I think it's ready. So guys, after it's ready, now I would like to transfer this into my empty blush container. So I'm just going to transfer this into this. So guys, I transferred it and voila, it's ready to use. So now it's time for a test how it works. So I'm just going to take some, just this much. And as you guys can see, wow guys, this is working so good. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh. So guys, for me it's a big thumbs up for this. I loved it. So guys, if you like the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you have any more new ideas in your mind, so you can share with me in the comment box down below. So bye guys.